Hello, everybody. Hey, first, I would like to say thank you. Thank you to you guys who were raising questions, reaching out, email, phone, text, having some thoughts and concerns about this context. Guys, let it never be understated that we truly value your input. We want to listen well, and we want to have the opportunity to make changes where it's appropriate. It's one of the values that we believe is so important, is just knowing and acknowledging that God has brought all of us together. He's uniquely made every single one of us in this company. What each unique person brings to the table is a unique set of giftings that they have and a perception. We all see things differently. And that is a joy. It's why God has designed us to function together as a body, not just a bunch of single parts. And so I'll stop there. Just thank you so much for your involvement in this process already. What that leads me to is just a quick update on the contest. One of the things that was brought to our attention was that it was a bit lopsided because we had 4 weeks here and essentially just 2 periods and 2 periods. So in an effort to make this contest 3 equal parts, because we do see the percent over daily average as a part, the percent over period average as a part, and then just straight billable sales and where each person ranks in that as a part. What we recognized is that if we give every guy a point in period 1 and period 2, this portion of the contest is worth 90 points. Likewise, if we do that for period 1, period 2, just for straight sales numbers, again, worth 90 points. The problem that we had over here is that if we gave one straight point for each week, this portion of the contest was worth 180 points. And so we didn't want this being half the contest and this being half the contest. So what we went ahead and did, you'll notice in here, is that there's half points involved in this. And the reason being is every place for each one of these weeks is worth a half a point. So now rather than 45 points, if you finished in first place, if I scroll down and I look at these numbers, it might be actually 44 points right now. But anyways, 22 points or 22 and a half points without scrolling around is the top of this thing. So if we have a total, say it's 22 and a half, even over here it would be 88 points if there's only 44. For the sake of ease and round numbers, say it's 45 people, there's 22 and a half points per week, which gives us 45 points for each 2 weeks. Obviously double that, you get 90 points for all 4 weeks over here, 90 points for these 2 periods, 90 points for these 2 periods. So now we have 3 equal parts of this contest. So that's all I wanted to update you on. I wanted to let you know that when these numbers come out, it did change a couple of places. But because of your input, because of our desire to have as fair of a contest as we can, we have made that change so that hopefully we have, to the best of our ability, created a contest that is 3 equal parts. So, and again, any questions that you have, let me know. Thank you guys so much. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.